I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the grain market. Today, soybeans were up. There's follow-through buyers really stepped in and lifted the market again. The market is stabilizing but looking very, very optimistic, and thank goodness we needed that. The traders are reassured that the new USMCA, which is the new name for the NAFTA deal, is really going to help the market, and the idea that negotiations with the U.S.-China could yield the same good news and offer more support to the market is really what I think a lot of the traders are banking on. Corn was firm as well today. The exports are ahead of last year, so that is helping the market, and certainly we're on the heels of the harvest coming in. Right now, corn is 26% harvested, and we're a little bit ahead of last year. But you know, I think this may cap any kind of real rally unless that U.S.-China negotiations really start to come to an end. That would really give it a boost right now. But the market's still very strong overall for corn and soybeans for sure. Wheat's been steady. It actually has been trading on both sides of the market. We get a little bit of a run up, then it kind of comes back. So it is a little bit of a mixed bag. These intermarket spreads have lifted the futures somewhat, so they're helping them move a little bit higher. But what's happening is the traders are a little bit concerned because the $5 benchmark is really where the real support number is for the Chicago December wheat contract, and it's just a stone's throw away from where we are today. So some of the traders are kind of looking and a little bit nervous about it, but the market's still holding itself very strong and holding firm. Some of the outside factors are a little bit in play, and of course geopolitical ideas that are coming in, things out of the White House, what's happening around the world, certainly for wheat, is an issue that will always come into play. But right now, the markets still look firm across the board, and I think that this is still an overlay and still follow through from the Mexico-Canada-U.S. trade pact that finally came to fruition this past weekend. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.